No money, no experience, just one idea, and 30 days. Here's what happened. I challenged myself to build a profitable online business from scratch. No investments, no shortcuts, just pure hustle and ingenuity. The goal? To prove that anyone with the right mindset and strategy can create financial freedom online. The rules were simple: no spending a single dollar, document the entire journey, and prioritize fast results. This meant focusing on skills I already possessed, and leveraging the power of free online tools. It was time to put my entrepreneurial spirit to the ultimate test. The pressure was on, but so was the excitement. Could I crack the code and generate real income in just 1 month? Stay tuned to find out. The first step was identifying my unique selling proposition. What value could I offer the world without spending any money? I spent hours brainstorming, listing out my skills, hobbies, and areas of expertise. Was I a coding whiz? Not even close. Could I design websites that would make your jaw drop? Let's just say I wasn't winning any design awards. But then it hit me. Selling. I'd built a successful career in selling, and I knew the ins and outs of the market like the back of my hand. I could offer expert advice, guidance, and strategies to people looking to navigate the world of buying, selling, or investing in business. My niche had revealed itself. Now, it was time to package my expertise into an irresistible offer. I needed something tangible, something people could immediately understand and see value in. Enter the 30-day roadmap to selling success. This concise, action-packed guide would provide a step-by-step blueprint for anyone looking to achieve their selling goals. I'd cover everything from market analysis and selling research to negotiation tactics and closing deals. To make it even more enticing, I decided to offer a bonus: a free 30-minute consultation with me to discuss their specific marketing goals and challenges. This personalized touch would set me apart from generic online courses and establish me as a trusted advisor. With my offer in hand, I needed to get it in front of the right people. And remember, no paid advertising allowed. I had to get creative and tap into the power of free online platforms. Social media became my best friend. I joined relevant Facebook groups, engaged in conversations on Twitter, and shared valuable marketing tips on my personal Instagram profile. I also created a simple landing page using a free website builder where interested individuals could learn more about my roadmap and sign up for the free consultation. To drive traffic, I shared the link across my social media channels and participated in online forums, positioning myself as a helpful resource within the market online community. The initial response was slow, but I didn't let it discourage me. I just kept engaging with my audience, answering questions, and providing valuable insights. Then, it happened. A message popped up in my inbox from a young professional, Sarah, who had been following my posts about first-time selling online. She was impressed by my knowledge and was really eager to learn more about my roadmap. We scheduled a free consultation and I walked her through the key steps outlined in my guide, making sure to tailor the advice to her specific situation and goals. She was honestly blown away by the value I provided and without hesitation decided to purchase my 30-day roadmap to online success. My first sale, and wow, it felt amazing. With my first sale under my belt, I knew I was onto something. But I also realized that relying solely on one-on-one consultations wouldn't allow me to scale my business. It was time to turn my service into a system. So I transformed my 30-day roadmap to an automate success from a simple PDF guide into a comprehensive online course. I used a free screen recording software to create video lessons, breaking down each step of the roadmap in detail. To automate the sales process, I integrated a free email marketing service with my landing page, allowing me to collect leads and nurture relationships with potential customers. After 30 days of hustling, creating, and innovating, I had a profitable online business generating passive income. I had successfully attracted 10 paying clients for my online course, generating a total of $2,000 in revenue. While the financial reward was incredible, the most valuable lesson was the realization that I could create something from nothing, using only my existing skills and free online resources. This challenge proved that with the right mindset, strategy, and a whole lot of hustle, anyone can achieve financial freedom online. This 30-day challenge taught me more than I could have imagined. Here are 3 key takeaways. First, your skills are valuable. Everyone possesses unique knowledge and expertise that others are willing to pay for. Don't underestimate the value you bring to the table. Second, free tools are your friend. The internet is a goldmine of free resources that can help you build and grow your online business. Don't let a lack of capital hold you back. Third, action beats inaction. The key to success is taking that first step and consistently putting in the work. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. These lessons have really transformed the way I approach entrepreneurship. Inspired to embark on your own online business journey? Well, I'm giving away my exact step-by-step roadmap that I used to build my business in 30 days, completely free. This downloadable guide includes everything from identifying your niche and crafting an irresistible offer to leveraging free online tools and automating your sales process. It's time to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Click the link below to download your free copy and start building your own profitable online business today.